You are writing the JAMB 2026 examination. You open your computer and you come across a problem like this on the board. How do you solve it? First things first, if you are writing the JAMB examination, I want you all to go down to the comment section and comment JAMB 2026, just so that I know you are writing the examination and we can stay connected. Okay, once you've done that, come back and let's attempt the question. The question reads: a dash program was organized last week. Okay, a 3 days program, a 3 days program, a 3 day program, and a 3 days program. Look at how they are all spaced. Okay, now let's see how we are prepared for the JAMB 2026 examination. I want you guys to go down to the comment section, attempt question 1, and drop it in the comment section. I am guessing you guys have done that by now. Let us now see the right answer to this question on the board. Okay, now remember in my previous video I solved problems on apostrophe. Okay, where use apostrophe, that is apostrophe s or s apostrophe, and how to do all of that. Now this is another problem still on use of English. Okay, how do you solve a problem like this? Now the rule is whenever we are having a unit of time, okay, that is hyphenated, not just unit of time, okay, a number of persons. In this case, you notice that in the option we're having units of time, but if you check the other options, we're having what now? Number of persons now, right? Now, whenever we're having a units of time or number of persons and they are hyphenated, take note, they now act as an adjective qualifying the noun that precedes it. So what will happen is we do not attach apostrophe s or s apostrophe to these guys, and we also do not pluralize them. Okay, let's take some of these examples. Question 1 is again: a dash program was organized last week. Okay, a 3 days program, 3 days program, 3 day program, 3 days program. Now the correct answer would be option C. Why is this option C? We can get option C by eliminating the other options. Take note, it should not be pluralized and it should not carry s apostrophe or apostrophe s. Okay, these ones, they are, this one is pluralized, right? It's carrying s, so that one is already out of it, right? That one is out of it. Now how about 3 days? Now if there was no apostrophe, what could be the possible answer as well? We could as well make use of what now? 3 days. That is, the apostrophe will come after the yes. If you watch my previous video, you understand why. Okay, this one could also be correct, but these other ones are wrong simply because they are carrying what now? Apostrophe. This one is carrying an apostrophe, so we should not consign anything. It should not have anything relating to s apostrophe or apostrophe s. Okay, that is why this one is out. Okay, for this one to be correct, the apostrophe needs to come what now? After the s. So this one is also what now? Out as well, and that is how problems like this are being tackled. Now let us look at question 2. Question 2 is: a dash committee was set up to look into the matter. Okay, a 10-man committee, 10-men committee, 10-man's committee, and 10-men's committee. Which of these will be the right answer? Following the same rule again. Okay, you can also attempt it and drop your answers in the comment section. Once you've done that, come back to the video. Now looking at this option, another easy trick is to eliminate anyone that carries s apostrophe. Okay, because as far as there's hyphen, we don't need an s, we don't need an apostrophe. Okay, so we're going to eliminate the one that carries what now? S. All these ones are out. Okay, now we're having a 10-man, we're having a 10-men. What is now the correct answer? Take note, if we are having a number of persons carrying hyphen, we are going to pick the one that is what now? Singular. So instead of picking a 10-men, it becomes what now? A 10-man committee. Okay, that is another thing you need to take note of. Okay, now that you've understood the general rule, under the number of persons, you should pick what now? The singular one. So we're having what now? A 10-men. That is the right answer. Okay, look at the last one on the board. The question reads: Benin is a dash drive from Asaba. A 2 hours drive, 2 hour, 2 hours, and 2 hours. Which of these is the right answer? Okay, following the same rule, and for my previous video, you can attempt this one. Now, the right answer to this one will be what? Following the trick I just used, eliminate the one that has what now? S or anything concerning apostrophe. Okay, so option D is out, option C is out, option A is out, and option B is the right answer. How did we know? If you check the other options, we'll notice that they are wrong. Okay, but how did you identify that? Now, this thing can also be written in another way. That is a 2 hour drive. If we don't want to write a 2 hour drive, remember the rule could be a two. Remember the rule could be a 2 hours drive. Okay, don't mind the marker. It is not so clear at this point. Okay, a 2 hours drive. Now the rule could be a 2 hours drive when rather the apostrophe should come after the s. Okay, the rule could be a 2 hours drive. Why? We're having a plural unit of time. right? And remember the rule I gave you. The time must be what now? Carrying the apostrophe, right? And if it is plural, it should the apostrophe s, or the apostrophe should come after the s. Okay, this one could also be correct. So take note. If we had had this one in the option, we could have as well put that as the answer. But JAMB will not give you these two in one option. Okay, notice that it is not in the other options. Instead of this one, we're having a hyphen in between. Okay, to say that it is wrong. Okay, so it becomes what now? A 2-hour drive. Remember, it should not carry apostrophe, it should not carry s, it should not even be pluralized. Okay, and that is how problems like this are being tackled. Ladies and gentlemen, there's always more to learn. Okay, not just the use of English, but as well as your other JAMB subject combination. Okay, to learn more on all of this, you can as well subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll post more videos, longer ones. Okay, across all your JAMB subject combination. Okay, you can also register for our online JAMB and WAEC classes where we teach the JAMB syllabus from beginning to the end. And to be part of our classes, all you simply have to do is give me a direct message on TikTok, or you can simply swipe down to my page and text me via the phone number on my bio. You can as well click the link on my bio to reach out to me on WhatsApp. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and follow for more.